Hello, my name is James from Cunningham's multi-award-winning Butchers and Food Hall in Kilkeel in County Down in the heart of the Moors. In this video we are showcasing how our master butchers prepare our fresh turkey crowns for Christmas and then how we go on to cook them. We trim the turkey and tie it up so it keeps its shape, allowing for a more even cooking process, easier to slice and serve. All our turkeys come with a convenient pop-up timer which pops up when your turkey is cooked. They're all sealed in a special cook bag which allows you to put the turkey straight into the oven without any mess when you get home. Now our butchers have it ready, the turkey then goes into our kitchen for the next stage in our process. First we put the turkeys into a special tray, place it in the oven and start the steam cooking process. Steam cooking allows for the turkey to retain all its moisture, allowing for the perfect dinner. Once cooked, we check the temperature, take it out of the cook bag and let it rest. You can then add the lovely turkey stock left in the bag to make the best gravy. Once rested for 5 minutes, you can then begin to slice. We cook so many turkeys every Christmas to make Christmas as stress-free as possible for all our customers. Call in and talk to a member of the team and see what we can do for you this Christmas.